We start at the NeuroBlock OS website. From here, you can access the platform. Click on the Login button located at the bottom of the sidebar. Create an account if you do not already have one, and then simply sign in. Next, the first step is to add files from your device to the library. From here, you will be able to manage all your datasets and AI models. You can add datasets such as PDF documents or other formats by clicking the Select Files button, or by simply dragging and dropping them directly into the window. For a better user experience, you can enable full screen mode. Once uploaded, they will be stored in your library. These datasets are completely private. NeuroBlock OS Cloud is designed to adapt to each user. From this menu, you can choose how to visualize your content using 3 different view modes: List View, Preview View, and Icon View. You can also filter to display all datasets, only raw ones that haven't been processed yet, or those that have already been processed. Later, we will create a processed dataset using DataLab, and it will appear here. The platform also allows you to view the characteristics of each dataset, preview the documents, and evaluate their quality before using them. Now, let's create a processed dataset by combining several of our raw datasets. This processed dataset will later be used to train an AI model using the knowledge contained in those datasets. This is done in DataLab. The DataLab tool consists of a sequential process. First, we select the datasets we want to use. Then, we can search for related community datasets through a graph-based system. After that, all this knowledge is synthesized into a new processed and structured dataset, ready to be used for LLM training. Next, we can analyze the quality and diversity of this new dataset, and finally, start training the AI model. Let's begin the process. This first step shows a preview of the dataset library. Here, we simply need to select the datasets whose information we want to use for our AI model. In the second step, we will find datasets related to our selection. This step is optional but recommended. To make better use of the available space, we can hide the top container and the sidebar. In the Node Viewer, we can see the 3 datasets we have selected. Here, we can analyze the quality of our datasets if we have not already done so, and configure the search parameters for the dataset content we want to use to enrich the processed dataset we are about to create. As we can see, the graph system has found 2 related datasets. One of them is private and belongs to our own library, identified with the Own label. The other one is published on OpenData. Over time, more datasets will be published on OpenData, and many of them will be free. For this demo, we will use our own dataset to further enrich the processed dataset we are going to create. In the third step, we can see the 4 datasets selected in the previous step, ready to be synthesized into a new processed dataset. We only need to select the language, and DataLab will handle the rest. If you prefer more control, you can use the advanced settings to modify the JSON format, as well as the number of records. As you can see, in just 2 clicks, DataLab will start generating this new processed dataset, enriched with all the information from the previously selected raw datasets. Once the creation of the new dataset is complete, we can analyze the quality and diversity of the information it contains. Finally, we are ready to train an AI model using the dataset we have created by simply clicking the Start Training button. If you want more control over the training process, you can expand the advanced settings and adjust multiple training parameters. DataLab automatically configures the optimal parameters for proper training, so it is recommended not to modify them unless you have full knowledge of the task. Let's start. This process can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 1 hour or more, depending on the amount of information contained in the dataset used for training. Once the training of our AI model is complete, the LLM file will be available in the NeuroBlock OS library. From here, we will be able to rename the model and deploy it in NeuroAI, which will allow us to start using it and interacting with it. This is where our models come to life. From here, we can select the model we want to use from among the AI models available in our library. We can also open the sidebar to view the conversation history. While DataLab is the tool intended for dataset creation and AI model training, NeuroAI is the environment designed for its use and interaction. This is the first version of NeuroAI for OS Cloud. Over time, both aesthetic and functional improvements will be implemented. NeuroAI is designed to adapt to each user's needs, offering an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Returning to the library, we can see the AI model used in these conversations. You can even download your models and run them locally. No APIs, full privacy, full ownership. In the near future, this will be complemented by our native desktop ecosystem, running completely locally. Now, we can see the process dataset we created in DataLab. Additionally, if we want to search for more datasets to train additional AI models, we can go to OpenData, where we can select datasets of interest, preview them, and download them either to our computer or add them directly to our NeuroBlock OS library.